In the royal forest, Lily, Bella, Maya, and Rose prepare for a picnic, their laughter echoing through the trees. Sunlight streams through the trees as the princesses fill the forest with cheerful songs. In a sun-drenched forest clearing, the princesses find their idyllic picnic spot beneath a majestic, shady tree. Laughter dances through the air as they share stories and revel in their delightful picnic. Bella's suggestion sparks excitement. A game of hide and seek begins, filling the forest with anticipation. Lily's clear voice rings out as she counts, while the others scatter, seeking the perfect hiding place. Princess Maya, in a playful game of hide and seek, moves stealthily behind a tall fern. A soft, sniffling sound breaks the forest silence, leading Princess Maya to discover a small boy with tear-filled eyes. "Hello?" Princess Maya asks, her voice soft with concern. "I'm lost. I can't find my mommy, daddy, or my puppy Max." The boy sobs, his voice trembling with fear. "Don't worry. We'll help you," Princess Maya reassures, her eyes filled with determination. In the forest, Maya calls out to the other princesses, their voices echoing with determination. The princesses comfort the boy, their faces etched with compassion. Together, they call out, searching behind trees, their voices blending with the rustling leaves. Following Puppy Paw Prince, they press on, their determination unwavering. Sunlight filters through the leaves, lighting the forest clearing as barking and joyful voices fill the air. The boy calls out, "Max!" The boy's mother exclaims, "You're heroes," Princess Rose declares. "Kindness always finds the way." The princesses conclude their picnic with joyful hearts, knowing they helped someone in need.